Scrambled eggs done by my partner. What has he got? He's got eggs, he's got his butter, and he's got his salt and pepper. And of course, he's got the milk. Eggs are great, by the way, great for protein and make you feel full. He uses, as you can see, he's using a non-stick pan here. Very sensible. And then he knocks one out and it goes. And then, of course, he gives it a good old whisk. Whisk away, before actually then adding it into the pan with a little bit of butter, not too much. In fact, if you add too much, reduce it because it can be quite rich. And then he pours in just a little bit of milk. Less is more again with the milk. So then stir. Now, the key with stirring, what he does is he does it really quite slowly. Even if your stomach's rumbling and you're hungry, be patient. Allow yourself to just, add that salt and pepper and then continue to stir it really slowly. I think less is more again when it comes to the stirring. You'll feel the benefit at the end as you taste it. So as it begins to boil, as you can see, the scramble's arriving. Oh yes, here it comes, and it again is all about patience. Don't rush it too much. Boiling up, there it comes. Look how creamy that looks. It looks absolutely delicious. Can't wait to eat it. My stomach is rumbling. And there you go, final little product there. Lovely, beautiful, not too dry. Just great actually to pop up